Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Magic Back Room. I am your host, KKG, and I got something different for you today. You're going to have to pay attention, though, to this, because I'm going to ask you a lot of questions, and they're going to be fairly fast, so you can't think forever, but I just want you to think. Anyway, I also want you to notice that I have this pad here, and you can't write on it with your finger. You can't take anything sharp and write on it, so it's just a plain piece of paper. And I'm going to also put my initials on it just to let you know that's the original. And I'm not switching papers or anything like that. So anyway, here's what we're going to do. First, I'm going to ask you a question. And here it is. I want you to think of, we're going to turn this down. I'm going to put this bottle on top of it. I want you to think of a country that starts with the letter D. Now, once you have this country with the letter D, I want you to think of the last letter of that country. You got it? Now I want you to think of an animal that starts with that last word of your country, whatever that last letter is, an animal that begins with that letter. I want you to now think of that animal and look at the last letter of that animal, and take that letter and think of a fruit that begins with that last letter. You got it? Now I want you to go to the last letter of that fruit, and I want you to think of another animal that starts with the last letter of that fruit. Now, once you have this animal in mind, I want you to picture this animal and then come up with the color of this animal. And tell me when you got it. Perfect. You got it. Okay. Now, here's what we're going to do. That color that you now have, okay, how many ever letters it got, so I want you to start with this 6 over here. So if it's red, it'd be R-E-D, and you'll land here. If it's orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, you'd land here. Purple, P-U-R-P-L-E, and so forth. Just start with the 6 and go to the number, whatever that, how many ever letters that color that you have in your head now, whatever that is, start here, and you're going to end somewhere. Okay? You got it? All right. Now this... I've had turned down the whole time, okay? And let's turn this up. And there you have it. You will have landed on the 10. So 2 things going on. How the hell did I know you were going to land on the 10? That's worth a like and a subscribe and a share. And secondly, how did I get that? We have a plastic cover, so you can't write on it. You can't write your finger on it. There's no way to write. Plus, it was upside down. So you got 2 tricks in one thing. There's my KKG. I think you landed on the 10, and mysteriously, it came on that piece of paper while it was turned upside down. If you like that, if it worked, hopefully it worked. A lot of things going on. If you like that, give me a like and a subscribe and a share. And if you didn't, I'm so sorry. But anyway, there you go. Something different for today. And until the next time, be great. See you. Bye.